मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।
वह मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है। He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. क्या झगड़ा है? What's the conflict? What's the conflict? ऐसी बात नहीं है. It's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. घबराने की बात नहीं है. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. हालांकि मैं सोच रहा था. Though I was thinking. Though I was thinking. कुछ चीजें हमारे बस में नहीं होती. Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. मेरा एक काम करोगे? Would you do me a favor please? Would you do me a favor please? वह नहा रहा है. He is taking a bath. He is taking a bath. मैंने तुम्हारे साथ बहुत बुरा किया. I really did wrong to you. I really did wrong to you. यह कमीज फटी हुई है. This shirt is torn. This shirt is torn. उसने तुम्हें एक गिफ्ट भेजा है. He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. यह किसका मोबाइल नंबर है? Whose mobile number is this? Whose mobile number is this? वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. सबसे अच्छी शर्ट कौन सी है? Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? मैं रात में देर से सोया था. I slept late last night. I slept late last night. उसकी नाक बह रही है. His nose is running. His nose is running. ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. कहने की जरूरत नहीं कि वो पागल है. Needless to say that he is mad. Needless to say that he is mad. मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I took a sigh of relief. I took a sigh of relief. राहुल हकलाता है. राहुल stammers. राहुल stammers. मेरे मामा ने तुम्हें पाला. My maternal uncle brought you up. My maternal uncle brought you up. मैं सपने साकार कर दूंगा। I will materialize the dreams. I will materialize the dreams. मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? मेरे मित्र दोषी थे। My friends were guilty. My friends were guilty. पत्र डाक द्वारा भेजा गया। Letter was sent by post. Letter was sent by post. हम रास्ता भूल गए। We have lost our way. We have lost our way. मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ। I'm saying something. I am saying something. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें। Take care of your health. Take care of your health. किताब तकिए के नीचे है। Book is beneath the pillow. Book is beneath the pillow. मेरे पिता की जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता। Nobody can replace my father. Nobody can replace my father. 10:05 हुए हैं। It is 10:05. It is 10:05. तुम कहाँ कुछ कहती हो? You hardly ever speak. You hardly ever speak. अच्छा समय आएगा। Better time will come. Better time will come. बादल गरज रहे हैं। Clouds are thundering. Clouds are thundering. आज के बाद now onwards. Now onwards. मैं तुम्हें जाने नहीं दूंगा। I will not let you go. I will not let you go. मैं 1 घंटा पढ़ती हूँ। I study for an hour. I study for an hour. दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है। It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. आप बिल्कुल समय पर आए हैं। You are just in time. You are just in time. बच्चे किसके साथ हैं? With whom are children? With whom are children? बच्चे मेरे आगे था। The child was ahead of me. The child was ahead of me. मैं राम की वजह से यहाँ हूँ। I'm here because of Ram. I'm here because of Ram. मैं तुमसे लंबा हूँ। I am taller than you. I am taller than you. क्या है वो? What is that? What is that? मेरे पीछे कौन खड़ा था? Who was standing behind me? Who was standing behind me?